What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to introduce you with a 3 secret antivirus application comes from Microsoft completely for free in your Windows 11 operating system. Using those 3 antivirus application, you can easily scan your computer for virus, malware, spyware and even for ransomware. And using the last option, you can easily remove ransomware from your computer. If somehow your computer get attacked by ransomware and your file get corrupted, using the last option you can recover them. So in this video I'm gonna guide you step by step how to get them for free, how to use it and how to recover all of your files from the virus and ransomwares. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first tool name is MRT or Malicious Software Remover Tool. This MRT tool is built-in install on Windows 11 operating system. To open that tool, open up Run on your computer and type here MRT, then press enter. And this command will open up the MRT or Microsoft Malicious Software Remover tool. Here is the Malicious Software Remover tool. By default, it pre-installed. If it didn't install in your computer, you can even manually download it. To download it, open up any of your browser, then search on Google MRT Microsoft. Then go to this first link, Windows Malicious Software Remover tool. Scroll down and click on this download button to download that tool. Then using this exe file, you can run the MRT tool on your computer. I had already installed it, so I'm going to click on next, and here you will find 3 options: quick scan, full scan and customized scan. For this video purpose, I'm going to select quick scan. Then click on next. Now this tool going to scan your computer for some certain type of malware and viruses. After the scan completed, I will list out all the malware and viruses whatever is trying to find on your computer. For this video purpose, I'm going to cancel it. Then click on yes. Here you can see no malicious software was detected. Now to get the detailed result, click on view detailed result of the scan. And here you can see, here we have certain type of malware, and this tool try to detect this type of malware in your computer. If any of them get detected, it will show the result called infected. Then using that you can remove it. Now let's check the second tool called MCERT or Microsoft Safety Scanner. Using that tool also you can do the similar job like the MRT tool, but by default that tool is not installed on your Windows 11 operating system. You have to manually download it from the Microsoft official website. To download it, open up any of your browser, then search on Google MCERT Microsoft. Then go to this first link, Microsoft Safety Scanner download. Then scroll down and here you will get the download option. I'm going to download the 64-bit. Here you can see it start downloading. When the downloading get completed, open up your downloads folder. And here you will find the MCERT tool. Double click on it. Then click on yes. And it will run the tool on your computer. You have to accept the all terms and the license agreement. Then click on next. Then click on next. And also here you will get 3 options to scan: quick scan, full scan and customized scan. Select any of this option, then click on next. And this tool is scanning your computer for viruses, spyware and other potentially unwanted software and removing any that is found. If it found any type of malware in your computer, it will going to automatically remove them. Here you can see the scan is completed successfully and no virus, spyware and other potentially unwanted software was detected. Now the third one. We all know that Microsoft comes with Microsoft Defender and nowadays it's called Windows Security. If we click on Start and search for Windows Security, here is the application, open it. And we all know this Microsoft Security works very well on Microsoft Windows 11 operating system. But in this Windows Security option, there is a scanning option called Offline Scan. Using that option, you can easily detect and remove ransomware and remove the file corruption from your computer. To run that, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then from here, go to Scan option. Then from this list, you will see Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Select it, then click on Scan Now. Then click on Scan, and it should restart your computer and scan all of your computer drive, files and folder in offline mode. And if it detects any type of ransomware, malware or spyware, it will automatically remove it. Here you can see we are about to sign out. Click on Close. And now my computer will restart. Here you can see guys, the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan is now starting. And here you can see the scanning gets started. So guys, using these 3 secret antivirus options, you can easily remove malware, virus and spyware from your computer completely for free. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.